Hello Unocoiner, welcome to Unocoin, crypto का super app. Let us learn more about commodity money, the age of metals and empire-backed gold. Let's start with coinage, the age of metals. As people discovered metals like iron, copper, gold and silver and their utility as utensils and tools, metals became much more valuable than livestock and plant food. The divisibility, portability and durability of metals made them ideal as mediums of exchange and stores of value. These metals could be traded for any item, and they were a lot similar and easier to store. Initially, the metals were denominated in terms of their weight against a set standard equivalent to a fixed number of food grains. Bronze nuggets came to be used widely by people as money. Eventually, other metals such as gold and silver started being used as currencies. This was partly because gold and silver were considered to have mystical connections with the sun and the moon. Later, thanks to progress in metallurgy, metal slabs were fashioned into coins. Trade in commodity money flourished and ushered in an era of more significant trade and economic prosperity. But even then, there was the problem of less pure alloys being passed off or exchanged at the same rate as coins with higher metal content. So fungibility remained an unsolved problem. This was resolved by the invention of the touchstone, which could assess metal content in an alloy or an ore. The purity of the coins was certified by stamping the cash with the issuer's logo. The standardization of weights and purity paved the way for seamless trade in metals. Let us try to understand about empire-backed gold. Silver was considered more valuable than gold until the late 13th or 14th century AD, although silver lost its sheen. In the 14th century, gold started gaining on silver as a store of value. Governments began outlawing minting by citizens, reserving the right to themselves. People had to pay much more for a coin over its face value, that is, the value of the metal it contained. Sounds familiar? This is precisely what we do with our money today. This brought in revenues for kingdoms, and the value of metal coins came to be delinked from the inherent value of the metal in it. Thus, coins started trading for much more than they were worth. Kingdoms asserted that money derived its value from state endorsement and not from the metal in cash. Another principle we have considered today. In the next video, let us learn about the evolution of representative money. I hope this video was informative to you. Let us know in the comment section what you like the most. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Share with your friends so that this video also helps grow their knowledge. Finally, show us some love by subscribing to our channel. Love crypto coins, love Unocoin. Thanks for watching.